In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome Profile Picture Avatar Guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. There you will see your Chrome profile icon. This is the small image or avatar that represents the profile you are currently using in the browser. After the menu appears, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can update personal details connected to your account. If a new tab opens, that is normal. On the Google account page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Personal Info. This section contains the basic information tied to your Google profile, including your name and profile image. Once you are in Personal Info, find the Basic Info section. Click on your current profile picture to open the picture settings. This is the area where Google lets you view, edit, or replace the image connected to your account. If you have never added a custom image before, you may see a default avatar instead. Next, click Add Profile Picture. This option allows you to choose a new image for your Google profile. In many cases, Google may give you the option to upload a photo from your computer or select one that is already available in your account. Choose the image you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the update. When selecting a photo, it is a good idea to use an image that is clear and centered, since profile pictures are displayed at a small size in Chrome and other Google services. A simple image usually works best. That covers everything you need to know.